Surface area of triangular prisms. Surface area is the sum of the area of all the faces and bases of a three-dimensional figure. If we took the three-dimensional prism and cut along the edges, we would have a net. And in this case, it would have two triangles, which are the base, and three rectangles. To find the surface area, you could find the area of each individual shape and add it together. Or you can use the formula, surface area equals pH plus 2 big B. P stands for the perimeter of the base shape. And in this case, the base is a triangle. H is the height of the prism. And the big B is the area of the base shape. Again, in this case, it's a triangle. I say that because this formula can be used for any shape prism, whether it's pentagonal prism or a hexagonal prism or an octagonal prism. As long as you find the perimeter of the base shape for P and the area of the base shape for big B, plug it in, it'll work out. So let's find the surface area of this triangular prism. So write our formula, surface area equals pH plus 2 big B. I love formulas, however, this formula is not my favorite for students to use because the things that you need for the formula are not directly given to you in the picture. So for example, we need perimeter. We can't just pick that number off the figure. We have to figure it out. So we have to look at the base triangle and find perimeter. So 8. And this side right here is 6, and this side is 9. So add those together to find perimeter, and you get 23. Height of the prism is from the base to the other base. It's kind of like your height, the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. So that height is going to be 7 centimeters, plus 2 big B. Well, the big B is the area of a triangle, 1/2 base times height. Half of 2, that cancels out. So we just need to figure out the base and the height of the base triangle. So here's our base triangle, but it's the same as this top one. So base is 9, height 5.3. Plus signs mean to stop. So multiply 23 and 7, 161, plus 9 times 5.3, and that's 47.7. Add those together, and the surface area is 208.7 centimeters squared. In our next picture, we have to notice that the prism is not standing on its base triangle. So when it comes time to find height, we have to imagine the figure turned over so that it is standing on the base triangle and we can find height. So surface area equals pH plus 2 big B. So perimeter of the base triangle, 8, 5, and this side is the same as this side, so 5. So it's going to be 18. Height of the prism, it's laying down, but the height does not change when the prism lays down. So 10 plus 2 times 1/2 base times height. So again, we just need the base and height of the base triangle. So 8 and 3. So surface area is 180 plus 24. So surface area is 204 feet squared.